Okay, guys. What the fuck? Sorry. Anyways, guys, today we playing Car Simulator 2. Again, yeah. Yeah, sorry. I crashed the. Yeah. But yeah, I got here today we playing Car Simulator 2. You know the drill. I have no internet. So yeah, most likely I can watch any ads to get the money. I know I can't get the money jobs. God damn. Look at that. Oh god. I get this car here. I get a same car. Here in this place. With the car there, the green car there, the car here that I drive, the same car. I want customize as well. You know how much for this now? God, that is a lot of money. Well, I think I should probably save up for the Odyssey. The shittiest kind of game, the Odyssey. The shittiest looking kind of game, the Odyssey. Oh, yeah, and this is the first ever car basically that I buy. This is basically like the first ever car that I buy. The first car that I get in the game. Nah, I don't count that. No, I don't count that. But now, the ones that I buy, yeah, I count that. All the time I was buying SUV and thing. But nah, I ain't gonna buy that. No more SUVs. If it was a Lambo SUV, if it was a Lamborghini SUV, well, yeah, I was gonna get that one. If it was a Lambo SUV, well, who car is this a Lambo? Whoever could be just a Lambo. It's really and truly wrong with them now. Yo, I got his up. But, like my car, yo, get it red. Like the others, like the rest of them. I'm a gas canister. And the back here, the license plate. Sorry, I couldn't come up with that battery. I just put in the car. And basically, this is inside. Yeah, nice. For me. Well, they might think it's shitty, yeah. But I'm still okay. I like the car. Those are the car that I actually buy. Huh? Wait, and nearly all the vehicles I in this game that I own, real fast. Okay, when I say real fast, I mean real fast. The first car that I actually ever buy, okay, now that one, let's see. See, yeah, that one there, the pink one there, that was funny. That was my first car. It was eyes up on something. It's getting real trouble. Only one truck, one SUV, and one car. Yeah, that's basically everything. That's basically everything. So yeah, this is the first SUV that actually own I just come up with different names. Yeah, no. It can make sense. Yeah, yeah, but I view. So, okay, sorry, that's this. Why it can't be. I'm driving in a while, so I don't know the character car wash and things like that. This is the first truck I buy. It was like $110. There's the Ranger. The only because the Ranger. Yeah, what's your preference? I didn't change the license plate for this one, but if I ever see a proper looking vehicles, yeah, there we go. Watch this. Look at that one. Only two pedals. What? Yeah, what is the back seats? Really? Okay, now this one sounds much tricky. That's a man. So, I'll open all these doors for them. Hey, yo, who told you could close that car door? On every single. No, that's I open from this side. Yeah, I just not see from that. That's new. This one. Dashboard, everything. Two again. My trunk. Oh no, I forgot. I didn't show I need a trunk for this. Yeah, the trunk. There it is. The trunk for this one will yeah, that wide open. Like it is. Yeah, the dashboard, everything. Yeah. Mhm. I'm just trying to make sure you could hear me because I just now watching videos that I now make and I barely even hear myself. So yeah, that why I talk spoken so loud. Anyways, I buy a tree though garage. Yeah, I better view the vehicles and them. Take a picture of this one then. Nah, you gonna see nothing. I was a post. I posted. Oh yeah. Da picture thing. If I use on your top right. Top right. You start camera thing, click it. I didn't get this. Well, you wouldn't get the view that I get because this view here that I have, now again this, you wouldn't get this unless you just just a TV on thing. These buttons on thing, yeah, you see that. And yeah, see already. They still go up. I mean, they still go down. I don't know what the sense of these buttons. You can already fly with them. So why are these? Yeah, I know it's like a little straight up, but we can just do this. Okay, now we can actually use that in a couple yapping. How much is on? Dial. 10 minutes. No, you have a sense. Yes, wait, you can see them. Holding them cheetahs. Holding the cheetahs so the way that I got. So that is like the first things. Like, the first three weekends. Then those actually supposed to be four. By the Patrick. It's supposed to be here. What? Oh, hell no. Yeah, I can do it. This blue card Patrick. First. Why? Because it's crap. Dog water. It's not my type. It's slow. It's everything. You live with you live in nothing something. What green cars to buy here is this one? Yeah, nah. This one, nah. The SUV, yeah, this one, yeah. This one is. Oh, nah. I wasn't gonna lie. It's as a paper. No, $7. The gang lights are doing some cool snum and them or later, bitches. Oh, I can't do shit. Guys, stop if you don't want to. And this was the first garage ever I had. Yeah, 2 free slots. I had 2 free slots. Wow. Touch that. Ha ha ha. I just making me a 27 9. I focus on collecting coins. And I missed that one, so I'll miss. whoever can't touch me like God damn it, these castles. No, I can't deal with this police. They're annoying. Fire must use his axe. Oh, yeah. But I swear to God, if I could have spawned Kirby in this game and make him swallow your ass. Oh God, no, please. Crash. No. Not today. I don't pay no fine. Nah. That's crazy. No, I make sure my castle they look. How much? Oh, good, finally. Well, no, I want to. Oh, God damn it. Sorry. Yeah, I have a hamster. You ever see him? So, I'm going to show him and stuff. If you ready? My man got W Riz. You see him? He had W Riz. Let me tell you of Holy Grail in section, but now I can't do it. Damn. Anyways, I guess. Yeah, video ends here. Bye. But one thing, or you know this drill. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that share button. When this is a thing. Bruh. Oh, okay. I still okay. I still do okay. Anyway, yeah, if you end here, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Yeah, and that's it. Don't forget to share the video. Bye.